Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money into interactive brokers from the UAE. First, log into your account and find the Transfer and Pay menu, then select Transfer Funds. You will then choose Deposit Funds and specify your currency. This initial step is crucial for setting up your transfer correctly and ensuring a smooth process. We will guide you through each part of this journey. The most common method is a bank wire transfer. After selecting wire on the platform, you will receive unique bank details, including the beneficiary name, bank name, and account number. Use these exact details to initiate the transfer from your UAE bank's online portal or branch. It is vital that the name on your sending bank account precisely matches your interactive broker's account to avoid delays, which can sometimes be up to 5 business days. When setting up your wire, remember to include your interactive broker's account number in the reference or memo field. This helps ensure your funds are correctly allocated. Your UAE bank might charge a small fee for international transfers, typically around 20 to 30 dirhams. Also, confirm the currency of your transfer matches your interactive broker's account to prevent any conversion issues or additional charges. After initiating your wire transfer, regularly check the transaction history or pending deposits section in your interactive broker's account. Funds typically arrive within 1 to 5 business days, but this can vary. If you encounter any issues or delays, do not hesitate to contact Interactive Brokers Client Services. They are there to assist you with any questions regarding your deposit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.